Students, today I am going to teach you how to design a poster. It is a part of your writing skills syllabus. It carries 5 marks. So let me show how to design a poster. And today I take the topic COVID-19 because it is a relevant topic right now. So let me show how to design a poster. While going to design a poster, you just you pencil it in a rectangle size or square size. Then you can draw a picture. I am drawing here the picture of the coronavirus. So you try to draw. You can draw also some girls or boys covering their faces with masks. And so let me a poster is like an advertisement, like a notice, or like a invitation. So a poster should have a slogan also. So I just want to give here one slogan, and the slogan of this poster is washing hands can save your life. Wash your hands frequently. Wash your hands frequently. This serves as the slogan of this poster on COVID-19. So I write COVID-19 is a pandemic now. I hope you understand the meaning of the word pandemic, which is spread globally and which don't have a treatment till now. This is called pandemic. And I highlight one more line. Protect yourself and your community. This is a health related poster. You might have seen while visiting a hospital like posters on the pulse polio, vision, like Japanese encephalitis or any other disease. So I highlight here on this line, protect yourself and your community, because there are less space in a poster, so we have to write the main points only in bold letters, and if necessary we can highlight it with colors also. So I write here the symptoms. What are the common symptoms of the COVID-19? Main is coughing, then fever, then diarrhea, pneumonia also in some cases. So we write also pneumonia. Then difficulty in breathing or shortness of breath. People will look at the poster from a long distance, so the letters should be in bold, and you can use also capital letters. So the symptoms here I write. Then I write how to prevent. This poster is creating awareness on COVID-19 for the general public, so we have to write here the main points. How to prevent COVID-19. Avoid large gatherings. Maintain social distance, or maintain distance at least distance of at least 1 meter. We know the basic guidelines for COVID-19. Wear masks while going outside. Avoid traveling. Stay home and maintain personal hygiene. So I designed this poster like that. I highlight 2 lines, protect yourself and your community, this line, and this is like the title, COVID-19 is a pandemic now, and this is like this serves like a slogan, washing hands can save your life, wash your hands frequently. And this is also a suggestion I give here, call 108 immediately if you have seen any one of these symptoms. ছাত্ৰ ছাত্ৰীসকল, তোমালোকে চাগে ধৰিব পাৰিছা আমি এখন পোষ্টাৰ কেনেকৈ ডিজাইন কৰিব লাগে। যেহেতু পোষ্টাৰ এখন পাব্লিকক আমি এৱাৰনেছ কৰিবলৈ মানে সজাগতা সৃষ্টিৰ বাবে বনোৱা হয় বা কাৰোবাক ইনভিটেশ্যন দিবৰ কাৰণে বা কিবা ইনফৰমেশ্যন দিবৰ বাবে, সেইকাৰণে পোষ্টাৰ্ছখন যিহেতু মানুহবিলাকে কি হয় দূৰৰ পৰা চাব, মানে দূৰৰ পৰা দেখিব, দূৰৰ পৰাই তেওঁলোকক আকৰ্ষণ কৰিবৰ বাবে তেনেকৈ আমি বোল্ড লেটাৰ্ছত লিখিব লাগিব, কিছু এট্ৰেক্টিভ পিকচাৰ্ছ আমি দিব পাৰোঁ। আৰু COVID-19 যেহেতু এতিয়া খুবেই ৰেলিভেণ্ট এটা টপিক হৈ আছে, মই ভাবিছোঁ তোমালোকে COVID-19ৰ ওপৰত এনেকৈ এখন পোষ্টাৰ বনাব পাৰিবা, তোমালোকে চেষ্টা কৰিবা, ইয়াতকৈ তোমালোকে সুন্দৰকৈ বনাব পাৰিবা। ধন্যবাদ।